What's up? I'm back. I know what you're thinking. 2 videos in 1 week. What the fuck? I don't know if anyone's thinking that, but I have an actual good computer that edits good and the system doesn't crash. Fabulous. To celebrate my brand new computer. That's a lie, it's not brand new, it's super old and secondhand. Anyway, what are these? What's with all the sparkles? If you have OCD or you love Apple, don't watch this because I'm going to paint the case of this computer pink with, I got a bunch of sparklies, I got some holographics, I got some iridescence, and I don't know what the fuck this is. This just looks like a bunch of different colors like mixed into one. I got sparkles. I got nail polish. Let's fucking paint this. I was just gonna pour it all on and paint it around and see how that went, and then sprinkle the sparkles on top and then put a top coat on top. Top. Alright. This one? This one feels pretty good. Oh, by the way, if like pouring out all this nail polish disturbs you also, these are all trash pinks that need like 5 white base coats underneath for them to actually look any good. I'm just gonna start with a little bit of a... Ooh! How is this making people feel right now? Not gonna lie, it's a pretty weird feeling to just pour nail polish onto a computer. Shake, 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 that. Okay. Oh! I fucking knew something was up! Like this is what people should do. I feel like a fucking kid right now. Oh, damn it. I didn't think about the fumes of using a lot of nail polish. Precision. I can see so many paintbrush bristles in here. There's so many! Wow. This is really strong. Alright, now I gotta get in between that apple and the leaf. Don't fuck it up, don't fuck it up, don't fuck it up. They don't call me Steady Hand Nish for nothing. She dry. So let's put a second coat on. I feel like I should have this space a lot better ventilated. But you know what? It's cold outside. Oh my god, that sound gets me every fucking time. Alright, paint, paint, paint. I also feel like I've definitely gone with the wrong technique about this. Hopefully the sparkles will redeem it. And if I know anything about sparkles, it always fucking redeems it. There's nothing worse than fingerprints on wet nail polish, for real. The precision, the concentration. I have the worst concentrating face, I'm like... I'm starting to get real fucking, like, there's a reason they say work in a well-ventilated room.
Clearly.
This is coming along, look at that. Alright, I think we just need to do around the Apple logo and then we all good. to add the sparkles. Ooh, bitch, look at that. There is going to be glitter everywhere. Someone get Simply Nailogical on the phone. She's gonna fucking love this. Gotta work fast. Gotta run fast. I'm fucking Sonic. What if I just go to turn my computer on and it just doesn't work anymore? And then I can't edit this video. Don't say we're not all thinking it. Oh my god. Also, a disclaimer, if you are 13 years old and your parents bought you a laptop, don't fucking do this. Don't do this. Don't do this to anything your parents bought you. Respect your stuff. We're all done. Holy fuck, this is like a dream come true for me. Wow. Christine, it's your move. How much do you love your computer? I think it's safe to say I have the most beautiful laptop in all of the world. Yo, you should subscribe if you want to see me ruin more of my shit. Who knows what I'll do next? Destroy some trash bags, some Audi bags, my laptop. Maybe I'll paint my camera. No, I'm not gonna paint my camera. Don't subscribe if you think I'm gonna paint my camera. Like this video if you want to see more of this type of stuff. I don't know what this channel is, to be honest. This might be a one-off. I have wanted to do this for a long time and I thought to myself, why not film it as well? Hopefully posting more videos because I got this baby. It has a fast processor and I can edit on it. Okay. Bye!